earlier today. Certainly hope we can dodge.
This is a Henderson County Emergency Management Agency local access alert. There is a tornado emergency issued for the entirety of Henderson County, effective immediately. Please seek shelter in the lowest part of your home away from windows. I repeat, this is a tornado emergency issued for the entirety of Henderson County. Seek shelter right now.
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator.
Shit in your pants immediately.